Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we are going to be reviewing Socialpilot, which is the only social media management tool that scales to your needs. It offers everything you need to scale your social media management, from planning and bulk scheduling to analytics, AI pilot and collaboration tools, all in one platform. You can start your 14-day free trial. No CC required. You can cancel anytime. That is no credit card required. You can cancel anytime. Part of daily lives of thousands of social media marketers and highly recommended for its capabilities. You can see 13K plus customer across individuals, across industries, and the rest of them. So these are the features: publishing and scheduling, collaboration, analytics and reporting, and engagement. So you can use social media scheduler to publish posts across multiple accounts and channels. Create content calendar. You can plan, organize, and schedule posts for consistent publishing. They have AI pilots to break through the creative barriers and generate engaging content. Bulk scheduling to help manage social calendar with 500 plus posts scheduled at once. You can drive growth and impact with AI and continuous innovation. Spark creative ideas for engaging posts, so we get inspired with fresh ideas and instantly generate awesome social media posts using simple prompts on AI pilots. Overcome creative blocks and keep followers hooked with engaging content. You can collaborate on campaigns for better outcomes. Work together on posts through collaborate on draft to create content based on shared ideas, opinions, and feedback. Efficiently coordinate campaigns with unified communication across teams. So we also have, you can also save valuable work time by proposing content. Get more productive hours by easily storing posts, hashtags, and media in the content library for simple editing and scheduling. Reuse the best performing content for social campaigns to scale efforts. You can also accelerate go-to-market with efficient workflow. So you can quickly move from planning to go live with robust content creation and publishing schedules. Streamline campaign workflows with client approvals on the go and accelerate time to market. You can also track your campaign success to improve consistency. And how is Socialpilot different? Because you can use Socialpilot to enjoy intuitive usability, gain valuable insights, optimize your application, and access prompt support when needed. So you can see easy to use with no learning curve, 360-degree view of performance, economic and efficient, on demand customer support. So you can also use their white label solutions to launch your own social media management solution. That means it provides a tailored social media management service that highlights your client's brand and identity for a personalized experience, like custom branding, customizable analytical reports, and dedicated customer support. So these are some of the suites of features designed for teams of every type and size. It is designed for every type of team and their needs. So you can leverage the versatile features of the platform to support growth. We have agencies, brands, multi-location brands. You can see everything. You can explore them further. So it also helps you to work and collaborate effortlessly across tools and platforms. Integrate top tools, platforms, and browser extensions into the workflow right from the Socialpilot dashboard. These are the work tools we have. We can integrate them in. You can see them, everything. So it is loved by users like you. You can read the personal testimonials from customers who have used it. I highly recommend it on G2. You can see their rewards and stuff. So you can, don't forget to, let's start a free trial. Let's just go for a free trial. So you can start your 14 days trial now. Yes, you use the yearly plan, you get 15% saved, and monthly planning. Let's see. It's for pricing. So we have essential $30 per month. You can also try for free. We have the standard, and the essential is built for professionals who work independently. The standard is designed to empower SMBs, small businesses, and small teams. $50 per month. So you can see everything you enjoy on that. If you are going for the essential, they don't actually have a free plan, just a trial. That's all. So you get 7 social media accounts, 1 user, 500 AI credits, content library, and tags. So if you're using the standard, you get so many other things over here. If you're using the premium version, $100 per month, and these are the things you enjoy under it. Ultimate, $20 per month, and these are the things you enjoy under it. So for enterprise who want to go above and beyond, you can contact the sales department. You can also compare the features if you like to see which is the best before you choose the one you want. So that's it. So what I'm trying to say is just try to visualize all your entire social media strategy with Socialpilot's user-friendly calendar. You can see all your scheduled posts in the calendar. There's so many things you can get from it. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. For the pros, Easy to use, affordable, many features, simple scheduling, and great support. For the con, there's limited integration, even though I think the integration is not that bad, but it's limited. You have the basic analytics, and it can be overwhelming for some users. So even though Socialpilot is great, but it might not be for everyone. So I'm going to give you some alternative for those that don't want to use it. You can use Buffer, you can use Hootsuite, you can use that is Hootsuite actually. You can use Proud Social, you can use Later, you can use Agropulse. Now, this actually helps. Now, what's my final thought on Socialpilot? I think it is a handy tool for anyone who needs help with social media. It is easy to use, and even if you're new to this kind of thing, there's a lot of things for you like scheduling posts and showing you how posts are doing. There are also other options out there, but I think it's a good one for you to try, especially if you're a smaller business. It has helped a lot of people, it might help you too. So why not give it a shot? See for yourself how Socialpilot can make your life easier. And since we cannot actually start a free trial, let's just request for a demo. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how the demo will look. Maybe to give us an example. So it's for 30 minutes. So we're going to enter our details, email, case of issues. Do we want to put contact information? Items to discuss, how it works. Now let's get it in. Let's see. I'm going for a demo. So a calendar invitation has been sent. Yes, I just got it on my phone. Okay, this is an example of what it can do. That's just it. I can use it to send emails, calendar invitation to people. That's all it does. Okay, so let's see. We've talked about this already. Let's look at the video overview. That's it. Hope you find it helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe.